Happy Easter. Today we're making prime rib. I got the simplest way to make prime rib in the oven. Usually I do it on smoker, but it's pouring rain outside, so I don't feel like running in and out in the rain. So to season this up good with whatever seasoning you like. I use Montreal steak seasoning, that's my favorite. Then you're gonna have the oven warm, preheated at 500 degrees. Put it in there. And we're going to leave that in there for about 15 minutes, and we're going to turn it down to 375. And then it should take maybe about 2 hours. So we'll be back in a little bit to check it out. In the oven for about 2.5 hours, about 15-20 minutes at 500. Then I turn it down to 350 for about 2 hours, 15 minutes. Let's see how she came out. Look at that. It's about 140 degrees right now, so, but I love it like that. It's good. So, yeah, that's how you do prime rib, and check our spread we got. It's pretty good. We got prime rib. We got garlic parm asparagus. Texas Twinkies. Some greens. Some coleslaw. And some jalapeno popper deviled eggs. I'm going to go in a food coma after this. But, again, one of my barbecue sauces I got, this is Alabama White. This goes perfect with beef. Corned beef, prime rib. It's got horseradish in it, so it's very good. And then if you're interested in my barbecue sauces, go to my website, www.CulinaryGangstaBBQ.com. Follow my pages on Facebook, Culinary Creations, and Culinary Gangsta gourmet barbecue sauce. And then, yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have a good Easter, and see you next time. Bye.